Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So let's get this open. I got this from Sneakersnstuff. I won one of their online raffles. So let's crack this open right here. Again, it's coming from Sneakersnstuff right there. And these are, as you can see, it is an Air Jordan 4 box right there. You got the Jumpman with the flight. And Air Jordan 4 Retro NRG. Colorway is black cord purple, size 10. And these are, let's see here, Raptor 4s right there. Let's get this right. So you can see inside you just have that black paper. So get this out of the way. Just in the back right there. So here is the pair I got from Sneakersnstuff. As you can see, you got the hang tag right there in black with the flight in red. A quick spin of the shoe that I picked up. Some speckling on the midsole right there. And then as far as quality wise, just looking for, yeah, there's like minor glue stains, but it's nothing big. Let me see this other pair. Yeah, my pair I think came out pretty decent. Again, the color pops on this. I believe these were supposed to be like a Drake shoe before, but that didn't happen. But the colorway is like the Toronto Raptors. As you can see, you got the Jumpman right there in the tongue. Got red inside with the black Jumpman. You got Air Jordan on the tongue. But to me, it was a pretty dope colorway. Something different, you know. And the color blocking does pop. The purple and the red, they do pop on this shoe. The Jumpman right there. So to me, it was a pretty dope, you know, whether or not it was a collab or not. So again, here is the other pair right here. Black laces, black netting. So just a quick look at the shoe that I picked up from Sneakersnstuff through their online raffle. So, all right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.